Hi ladies, I'm Ali, and today I thought I would touch again on retinol and what I'm now using, as I've now upped the ante. So basically I used to buy my retinol over the counter or online, sort of a lower strength, but decided getting older that I felt my skin needed a bit more. So I looked online, looked on YouTube, and went for a company called Dermatica. And here it is. I don't know if you can see it in this light. So it's quite a small tube. I don't even know how much is in there. And so anyway, I took some photographs of my face, sideways, frontways, as they ask you to, and I filled out a form which does ask you things such as, are you pregnant, do you have rosacea, acne, what skin condition, if you have any conditions, and also what's your skin like, but also more importantly what you want to achieve. So I did that, sent it off. Now it costs me, it says £20 a month, but then you have to add on postage and packing, so it's just under £23. Now this is in England. I don't know if you can have it around the world, but there's obviously other companies which are very similar. And what they do is then they would assess your skin from your photograph, from what you've written about it, and they will prescribe you something. Now what I've been prescribed here is Retinol Tretinoin, and also I think there's Niacinamide, which actually helps with the pores. And yeah, I'm very impressed. I've been using it 2 or 3 months now, every other day, sometimes every day. I've got to say though, my skin with tretinoin, one side effect is you do get a bit of flaking, which I'm expecting for another couple of months, but I think it does go down. So you just got to put plenty of moisturiser on afterwards, and always put on a high factor, particularly in the summer. So I'm on a factor 40 absolute minimum, and then on a hot day, or if I'm out in the sun, even a factor 50. And yeah, I think it's been working. I'm very pleased with the results, and it's something which you can buy online. You don't have to spend that much money. £20, yes, but it doesn't, a little bit goes a long way. Now I haven't obviously always seemed to see you with no makeup on, so I thought I'd just show you, demonstrate what I do. So I would put this on at night. I would wash my face first, make sure it's completely clean. And then what you do here, you would just put on a couple of drops, well, a couple of squirts, and that is literally enough. Now, I always like putting things on the neck, but with this I don't. Now, I've got a wrinkle here which seems to be going, does seem to be helping. Now, the areas you want to avoid are these parts and the lips. You don't go around the lips, and you don't want to go too close to the eyes, and avoid all this part. So let's just go and do this, and it does smooth it out. It does make your skin smooth. Helps with the collagen, which we all need when we get older. And then there, I'll do a tiny bit on the nose, and there, and then just a bit. Now it comes in the post every month, and to be honest, you never run out. You always have a bit over, which is fine. You can always put a tiny bit more on. I'm a bit more of a bit more than a bit less person, so I would rather. Let me put this on here. Now, just about there, as I say, avoid that, just those parts, about there. I never go down, always rub up. If anything, want gravity going up, not down. And then there. Now, what I would do is I would leave this to just settle in and just absorb in for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then I would put on a night cream before going to bed. And this seems to do the job, do the trick. So yeah, really pleased. For £20, it could be a lot worse or a lot more expensive products out there, and it really is quite a top grade and quite strong. So yes, it's just brilliant. So hopefully in another couple of months' time I can tell you how the journey of the Dermatica is going along, and hopefully it's still good. So I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.